Want your home to feel cozy and winter-ready without spending a fortune? Looking for Dollar Tree winter decor ideas that look high-end but stay budget-friendly? Searching for DIY Dollar Tree winter decor ideas or easy Dollar Tree winter crafts ideas you can make in one afternoon? Or maybe you want to create a beautiful winter wonderland look using simple Dollar Tree supplies? Then stay right here, because today we're sharing 15 creative Dollar Tree winter decor ideas that prove winter decorating can be stylish, cozy, and affordable. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, where we share affordable, creative, and stylish ways to decorate every season. In today's video, we're diving into DIY Dollar Tree winter decor ideas and Dollar Tree winter crafts ideas that help you create a winter wonderland look without overspending. Why is Dollar Tree perfect for winter decorating? Dollar Tree offers affordable basics like vases, florals, signs, and craft supplies. These Dollar Tree winter decor ideas allow you to decorate your entire home without overspending. What are the easiest DIY Dollar Tree winter decor ideas to start with? Painted jars, candle holders, faux snow displays, and winter signs are great beginner projects. These DIY Dollar Tree winter decor ideas are simple but look professionally styled. If you love budget-friendly home decor, hit like and share this video with a fellow DIY lover. What are popular Dollar Tree winter crafts ideas for January? Snowman decor, winter quotes, candle projects, and neutral wall art are popular. These Dollar Tree winter crafts ideas are perfect after Christmas when you want calm winter vibes. What Dollar Tree winter craft ideas work best for beginners? Paper crafts, wood signs, wreath bases, and painted decor pieces are easy. These Dollar Tree winter craft ideas don't require special tools or experience. Do you prefer quick Dollar Tree DIYs or longer craft projects? Tell me below. How do I create Dollar Tree Winter Wonderland decorations ideas at home? Use white decor, faux snow, clear jars, and silver accents. These Dollar Tree Winter Wonderland decorations ideas create a soft, magical winter look. What are the best DIY Dollar Tree Winter Wonderland projects? Snow globes, icy candle holders, frosted trees, and mirrored trays work beautifully. These DIY Dollar Tree Winter Wonderland projects look elegant and festive. For more winter and Dollar Tree DIY ideas, check out the full playlist in the description. What are easy DIY Dollar Tree winter wreath ideas? Use wreath forms, faux greenery, ribbon, and winter accents. These DIY Dollar Tree winter wreath projects are simple and affordable. How do I make a Dollar Tree winter wreath look high-end? Stick to neutral colors, minimal accents, and symmetrical designs. A Dollar Tree winter wreath can look store-bought with the right styling. Love budget decorating ideas? Subscribe for weekly DIY and seasonal inspiration. What are winter wreath DIY Dollar Tree ideas for after Christmas? Use eucalyptus, pine, cotton stems, or white florals. These winter wreath DIY Dollar Tree ideas work perfectly from January through early spring. What are DIY winter wreath Dollar Tree ideas for small doors? Mini wreaths, hoop wreaths, and simple greenery rings work best. These DIY winter wreath Dollar Tree ideas are perfect for apartments and small spaces. For more wreath and winter decor tutorials, check the related videos below. What budget winter decor Dollar Tree ideas work for mantels and shelves? Candle holders, signs, greenery, and neutral figurines are great. These budget winter decor Dollar Tree ideas instantly refresh living spaces. How can I decorate my home for winter using only Dollar Tree items? Focus on layering: candles, greenery, trays, and signs. These Dollar Tree winter decor ideas can style your entire home on a tight budget. What Dollar Tree winter crafts ideas are good for gifting? DIY candles, wreaths, framed quotes, and snow globes make thoughtful gifts. These Dollar Tree winter crafts ideas are affordable yet meaningful. How do I keep Dollar Tree Winter Decor looking cohesive? Choose a color palette and repeat textures throughout your space. These DIY Dollar Tree Winter Decor ideas look polished when styled consistently. What's the best way to decorate on a winter budget using Dollar Tree? Plan simple projects, reuse items, and focus on impact pieces. With smart Dollar Tree Winter Decor Ideas, winter decorating stays affordable and beautiful. And that's it. 15 creative Dollar Tree winter decor ideas to help you decorate your home beautifully without overspending. From Winter Wonderland decor and DIY wreaths to simple crafts and budget styling tips, Dollar Tree proves winter decorating can be stylish and affordable. Whether you're refreshing your home after Christmas or crafting cozy January decor, these ideas make winter decorating fun and stress-free. What's your favorite Dollar Tree winter DIY, wreaths or crafts? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Dollar Tree DIY and seasonal decor inspiration. Happy winter decorating!